Hi, this is Canelo Rowe reporting for Kids First. Today I will be reviewing the movie It Takes Two. It Takes Two is rolled up with comedy as well as emotional moments. This film is about two girls that look exactly the same. Amanda, who's an orphan, played by Mary-Kate Olsen, and Alyssa, a rich fancy girl, played by Ashley Olsen. These two girls switch places so they can get two people in their lives to fall in love. I like the sets because it just goes from the plain old New York City to the lush green and vibrant countryside. I think the message of this movie is to realize the importance of a family. My favorite characters are Alyssa and Amanda because they're about my age and I can really relate to them. My favorite scene was when Alyssa's dad left the room and she said, "I like having a dad." That scene was sad, happy, and loving at the same time. I'd give this film 4 out of 5 stars. These girls just want to have fun, so much that I want to have fun with them. Well, I guess what I'm trying to say is, it takes you to make It Takes Two an enjoyable ride. It Takes Two is screening all month on HDNet Kids Scene. This is Canella, reporting for Kids First. Catch you later!